Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best 50 amp Anderson connector is probably one of the most versatile and reliable power connection solutions available today, crucial for anyone dealing with high current applications like RVs, solar power systems, or electric vehicles. This connector isn't just about plugging and unplugging, it's about ensuring a safe, secure, and efficient transfer of power, minimizing voltage drop and preventing accidental disconnections, which can be critical in demanding environments where consistent power delivery is paramount. Number 5. LiTime 43.8V18A Smart Leaf AP04 Charger. Introducing the LiTime 43.8V18A Smart Charger, designed to efficiently charge your 38.4V Leaf AP04 batteries. It offers a robust 18A charging current and supports 0V charging to revive depleted batteries. This charger is designed for convenience with an independent AC cable and a top handle for easy portability. The upgraded on-off switch and 50A Anderson connector make charging operations simpler and safer. Engineered specifically for lithium batteries, it features a heavy-duty cord and cables. Its specifications are perfectly matched for Leaf AP04 batteries, providing a fast and effective charging solution. Your safety is paramount. This charger includes multiple protections against overtemperature, reverse polarity, short circuits, and overvoltage, ensuring reliable and secure operation. We stand by our product with a 2-year quality warranty and dedicated customer support. Enjoy peace of mind with professional technical assistance available within 24 hours. This charger holds CE and RoHS certifications and is covered by AIG Product Liability Insurance, underscoring its commitment to quality and safety standards. What we like. This charger is designed for Leaf AP04 batteries, offering smart charging with a 0V battery reactivation feature. Its multiple safety protections ensure a secure charging process. If you have a 36V or 38.4V Leaf AP04 battery that might have been deeply discharged, or if you prioritize safety and intelligent charging, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The connector is well made and feels robust. It provides a secure and reliable connection. The contacts are well plated and make good electrical contact. Number 4. Electric Forklift Charging Plug Line 50A. Introducing our high current charging connector, designed for electric forklifts. It ensures a stable and efficient power connection for your equipment. Rated for 12V DC at 50A max, this line is built to last. Its robust construction guarantees reliable performance even under demanding conditions. Featuring excellent insulation resistance and dielectric strength, it provides a safe and secure charging experience. Operate with confidence knowing it meets high safety standards. Perfect for connecting EC5 female to high current Anderson plugs over 50A. It offers flexibility in arrangement and is suitable for both AC and DC applications. Designed for ease of use, this charging line allows for a flexible setup. Simply connect and charge, making your workflow more efficient. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty. Please check the specifications carefully before making your purchase to ensure compatibility. What we like. This is a robust charging line designed for high current applications up to 50A. Its flexible arrangement makes it easy to use in various setups. If you need a reliable and durable cable for high power charging, especially in environments like electric forklifts, this connector line is a solid option. What people say. The connector is well made and feels very robust. It provides a secure and reliable connection for my 50 amp service. The Anderson connector design makes it easy to plug and unplug, even with gloves on. Number 3. 2PC50A Quick Connector Kit. Introducing a simple and convenient way to disconnect power to your winch or other electrical devices. This kit makes power management effortless. Featuring high-tension springs, it ensures a solid and reliable connection every time. You can trust it to stay locked securely. Installation is a breeze. Simply crimp or solder wires to the terminal pins, then insert them into the housing. It's designed for your convenience. Constructed with copper-plated silver terminals, it's built for long-lasting use. Plus, it operates without generating sparks for added safety. Designed for 6 AWG wire, it's suitable for a range of applications. This compact unit offers great performance for its size. What we like. This kit provides a simple and convenient way to disconnect power, featuring secure locking contacts and a spark-free operation. If you frequently need to connect and disconnect power to accessories like winches or trailers, and value ease of use and safety, this quick connector kit is ideal. What people say. The connectors are robust and well-made, providing a secure and reliable connection. Easy to install and use, the Anderson connectors fit perfectly and ensure a stable power flow. The design allows for quick and simple mating and unmating of the cables, which is very convenient. Number 2. 10 PCS 600V50A Red Battery Quick Connectors. Experience a reliable power connection with our advanced connectors. Their low contact resistance ensures consistent performance, even in demanding environments with high currents and shocks. Connecting your power sources has never been easier. Simply match the colors for a secure and quick splice, allowing for fast connection and disconnection. Our connectors are built to last. The stainless steel shrapnel maintains constant contact stress, ensuring a secure connection even with frequent use and intermittent overloads. These connectors are perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, vans, and motorcycles. They provide a robust solution for your power needs. Designed for high current applications up to 50 amps and 600 volts, these connectors deliver dependable power transfer. Enjoy peace of mind with their quick action function. What we like. These connectors offer a user-friendly, color-coded system for easy and quick splicing and interruption of power. They are designed for reliable contact even in shock environments. If you're looking for a straightforward, dependable connection solution for automotive or motorcycle applications where quick and secure connections are essential, these are a great fit. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel very robust. They provide a secure and reliable connection, which is crucial for high current applications. The design allows for easy mating and unmating, even with thick gauge wires. Number 1. HS16 Crimping Pliers. Introducing the HS16 Crimping Pliers, designed for precision and durability. This tool is perfect for a wide range of electrical applications. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a comfortable PC plastic handle, it ensures a secure grip and long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design prevents fatigue during extended use. Ideal for 50 amp connectors and wire sizes from 1.25 to 16 mm superscript 2, it handles various contacts and cable lugs with ease. It's suitable for both insulated and non-insulated terminals. Equipped with a safety release device, it ensures secure operation and prevents accidental opening. A built-in handguard further protects your hands during use. This robust tool is built to withstand demanding environments. It's perfect for railways, construction sites, shipbuilding, and electrician repairs. Experience high strength and excellent wear resistance with this crimping tool. It's designed for a long service life, making it a dependable choice for professionals. What we like. This crimping tool is built for precision and durability, featuring an ergonomic design for comfortable long-term use. It's suitable for a wide range of applications and ensures a secure connection for 50 amp connectors. If you're involved in heavy-duty electrical work, construction, or maintenance and need a reliable tool for crimping terminals, this is a professional-grade option. What people say. The connector is robust and well-made, ensuring a secure connection. Easy to connect and disconnect, even with gloves on. The terminals are large enough to accommodate thick gauge wires without issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.